Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Chrysler 200C, stock number B9127P. 26,000 miles on this 200. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, one owner, black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 7-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Also includes an additional 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. The 200 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This 200C has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges with driver information system. As well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the center console with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box. Overhead auto dimming mirror and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this 200 has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 9127P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.